Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Meghalaya High Court hakalai pautarek jalliu arhajar arpun riu kala hukum Pynsangeh Shuwa ka personal interview jongajing Thungkam LDA-cum-Typist hapo ka District Selection Committee DSC West Giant Hills District kabala day banlong hakashitarik unaitung. Kani karai na single bench u Justice HS Thungkam kala mi hadian boba bat laingot kiwepat ki nong mudoi kila kenno ba watla kila pas ka written examination typing speed test bat ka local language test henry omsham labu kerteng ni shortlist yaki ban shakhot ka personal interview. Nakalian ka sarkar laong baha ka Hukum labot ya ka office memorandum jong ka khatnyo tarik unai wing arajar khat saw bat batang ki bayo ya ki marks ki babyang hadian ka jing bishar ya baro ki benta jong ka jing yakon kila shabu kerteng. Nakabenta lai pusaw tali ki kam balat henry puprangot ki kertong la khot ka interview. Henry ka yeng bishar kala penpau bakadang don ka jing kali halor ka Hukum bishar bat ai jing ken marks ha ka typing test bat ka local language test bat kumta. Kala syam baka don ka aka ka bomshai bat kala hukum Pynsangeh Shuwa ka personal interview hadu ka sin syong bishar ka babut. Ka yeng bishar kala batharu ya ka sarkar ban wanra ya baro ki record bat ban tap ya ki affidavit bat sa bishar biang ya ka ni ka mukadama ha ka arpuai tarik unaitung arhajar arpun riu.
Habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.